Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Firstly, try using a professional profile photo. Clear headshot, natural background, good lighting and friendly but confident expression. Photos with your face clearly visible get more profile views. Also, add a strong banner image. Use something related to your industry like tech, business or finance, and avoid random or low-quality images. Your banner should reinforce your personal brand. Write a powerful headline. Instead of just a job title, write what you do plus who you help and your value. For example, digital marketer helping brands increase sales with paid ads and SEO. Do not leave the About section empty. Write 4 to 6 short lines explaining what you do, your skills, what makes you unique, achievements, and what you're looking for. Keep it simple and easy to read. You can also include keywords related to your field like headline, about, experience, and skills. This helps your profile appear in searches. And don't forget to add your skills by choosing skills that match your industry. More skills means higher chances of being found by recruiters. Also get recommendations from managers, clients, and colleagues. Even 2 to 3 recommendations improves trust. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.